start streaming. Okay, let's go. Oh, mic testing 1 2 3. Okay, the live session is on now. Let's do this. Okay. So today's live session is going to be very special. I've exclusively made this live session for people who are just passed out from their 10th or 12th examinations, students who want to pursue something in the future like their career or something. So this is regarding that live session itself. I'll give you some prompts for career guidance for 10th and 12th students and their parents too. So as you can see over here, I asked Cloud for multiple prompts for live session regarding 10th and 12th students career guidance. So these are all the prompts which I'll show you today on different chatbots which you can ask and are really helpful for yourself if you are thinking about what you want to do in the future as a career. So don't skip this video. Completely watch this live session as I'm doing it right now. Be with me as these prompts are really helpful for you and they will help out for your own career guidance or what you want to do as a career. So let's test out some of these prompts on, let's just test this on Gemini. Then let's also test it out on Grok. I haven't used Grok in a while. It has been a long time since I last used Grok. I majorly use Cloudy for every single thing which I need, from video description to title to helping me out with scripts and also for emails, or also for prompt engineering. So I use Cloudy for most of my tasks. Sometimes I use Gemini for creating thumbnails for my YouTube videos. And yeah, that's it. I use Gemini and Cloud mostly. And I've never used Grok that much in a while. It has been a long time. Let's click on sign in and let's see what other new features there are in Grok 2. You are being redirected. Okay. So the interface looks really good. Super Grok unlock extended capabilities. You can try this for free for 3 days if you want it. I'm not going to try it. Doesn't matter. I don't want it. I don't want to see my account. I want to go on Grok. Okay. So let's ask the first prompt to Grok itself. Finding career paths. So the prompt is, I have just passed 10th standard with science stream. I like technology and also enjoy creative work with drawing and design. Give me 10 career paths that combine both with a short description of each and minimum qualification needed. I'll just edit this to remove the science stream. Let's just keep it. I passed 10th examination, 10th standard. And that's it. I am making this video specifically for people who have just graduated, like just passed out from 10th and 12th exam, because the results were recently announced for this for 10th and 12th, and that's why I want to help students to figure out their own career path. So that's why I'm making a live session on this, and these are all the prompts I have listed out. So let's check out this prompt itself. I'll once again read it. I just passed 10th standard. I like technology and also enjoy creative work like drawing and design. Give me 10 career paths that combine both with a short description of each and the minimum qualification needed. Let's click on generate and let's see what it does. Wow, Grok is really fast. Here are the 10 career paths that blend technology with creativity. First one is UI and UX designer. Design user-friendly interface and experiences for apps, websites, and software. Combine user research, wireframing, prototyping, and visual design. So first one is UI and UX design. Second one is graphic designer. Third one is web designer. Fourth one is game designer. Fifth one is 3D animator. Sixth one is AI and VR content designer. Seventh is product designer, then digital illustrator, multimedia specialist, architectural visualizer, and advice for you. So this advice is for people who have just passed out of 10th examination. They can, if someone who wants to go into something called as a design kind of a stream, then these are all the career paths you can think of, such as UI UX, then graphic design, web design, game design. These are all the designing kind of a career paths for yourself, which is really good. It's good. Now let's see the second prompt. The second prompt is regarding stream confusion. It means that you haven't figured out what you want to do, such as I passed to 12th with commerce. My parents want me to do a CA, but I'm not interested. What are the 8 alternative careers in commerce that pay well and don't require CA? Explain each with simple language. This is the second prompt. I'll ask this on Gemini. So this prompt is for a person or a student who has just passed out from 12th in commerce, and their parents is insisting him to do a career in CA, but he is not interested. So he's asking any alternative careers in commerce that pay well and doesn't require to be a CA. Explain each with simple language. Let's click on generate. So here is the answer to the prompt. It's saying it's completely normal to feel a bit of friction when CA is treated as a default must-do path for commerce students. What Gemini is saying is absolutely correct. People who take commerce kind of take it because they want to do a CA, because CA is the best kind of a job role out there for a common student. So yeah, but CA is also very hard, to be honest with you. So Gemini says here are 8 lucrative alternative careers in commerce, explained simply, that might align better with your modern skills and interests. So first one is saying digital marketing and content strategy. It is completely out of commerce field, but still I don't know why it gave this as a first career path. Still okay. Second is business data analytics. This is a correct path. If you are a commerce student, you can kind of try to pursue a master's degree in data science or business analytics, or recently a lot of AI programs have been released, so you can do a master's in AI too, which is very good for you, as as you can already see, the current generation year and era is leading towards AI. AI first came out as a chatbot, now it's turned into an evolution of agents, like agents doing a lot of different tasks for you automatically. So agentic AI has been the next research which has been going on right now. And then a lot of evolution in AI is going to come in the coming years. So I think so AI is a hot topic in which you can do your career in. Then is tech product management, which is also a good career. Then management consulting, investment banking. The best one out here, which is related to commerce, is investment banking. This is the best one out there if you want to do something outside of CA, or if you're not interested in CA, you can just pursue a career in investment banking. Then there is actuarial science, which is kind of a risk prediction kind of a job role where everything you do is regarding risk and how you can mitigate it. So this is a career in risk itself. Then financial risk management, then wealth management, and these are all 8 roles which you can do if you want to do something outside of the role of CA. So this is also a lot of good careers mentioned over here, top 8 careers which you can do if you're from commerce, and I totally agree with this completely. So it's really good. Let's see some other prompts. Here is whatever prompts I'm showing over here are the prompts which you can also use for yourself. These are all some prompt engineering settings I have done. I can create a prompt for you if you want to. If you can just tell me in the YouTube chat itself in this live section, I can create a prompt for yourself too. Just let me know what you want it in to be in, what you want to do, what is your career path. If you don't have a career path, just tell me what interests you and what you want to do as a career. Then I'll create a customized prompt for yourself. Once you give me information in the YouTube chat right now, I create a completely personalized prompt for you so that you can figure out what do you want to do in the future as a career. So prompt 3 is unknown field deep dive. I've heard about data science and I don't fully understand it. Explain what a data scientist does and subjects I need to study, which stream is the best for it in 11th 12th, and what are the salary looks like in India after 5 years. This is also a good prompt. If you want, you can just copy this from my live stream and just put it if you have a question regarding data science and don't know what it is. Then second segment is AI as a study partner for students. If there is a person who is preparing for the 12th board exams, you can use this prompt. But right now, no one has any exams for the 10th or 12th as the result just came out. So yeah, and you can use this prompt when you have an examination and you want to study hard for your exam. You can just copy and paste this prompt in any chatbot model and it will help you out in your studies. Then concept simplification. Explain the concept of thermodynamics in class 11 physics, and if I'm completely new to it, use a real life example. Then give me a 5 exam style questions with answer. You can also use this prompt if you have any questions regarding anything in your 11th or 12th exam or studies. You can change this to explain the concept of dash. It means explain the concept of carbon dioxide in class 11 science. So you can, what I wanted to say is, you can completely change this prompt and you can add whichever subject you want to learn about. Instead of thermodynamics, you can type whatever example you want or whatever term you want the explanation in. You can also change this physics to science, maths, whichever you want. So this is a placeholder. You can change this prompt and make it your own by simply editing the prompt itself. So these are some of the prompts for parents to is imagine I'm a parent and I'm writing this prompt to Grok. The prompt is my child loves gaming and spends hours on YouTube. He just passed 10th. I'm worried about his future. What are there any legitimate careers that come from gaming, content creation or tech? What should I do as a parent to guide him without dismissing his interest? So it says yes, there are legitimate growing careers in gaming, content creation, and tech. These fields leverage exactly the interests your child has, and Indian gaming industry is expanding rapidly, projected towards significant growth with hundreds of millions of gamers. However, success demands skills, consistency, business sense, and often formal education or self-learning. It's not just playing games. Most paths reward technical, creative, and entrepreneurial abilities. Game development and design is kind of a first career. It shows it it means build games using tools like Unity and Unreal Engine. Roles include programmer, designer, artist, tester, or producer. Entry level salaries in India are 3 to 5 LPA, freshers rising to 8 to 15 LPA with experience, seniors and specialized role AR/VR on more. Global opportunities exist too. It's esports as a career, but it is really, really, really hard. Esports in India is basically non-existent, so this is one of the most hardest job role you can do as a esports player. Being a pro player, coach, analyst, team manager, or tournament organizer, top players earn well 50 to few lakhs per month plus prizes and sponsors. But it's highly competitive. Most don't reach that level. That's very true. So supporting roles include management, broadcasting are more stable. Content creation and streaming is on one also is also a career. A lot of Indian streamers do content creation or streaming on YouTube and Twitch. So this is also a career you can do as a part-time. To be honest with you, it's not a kind of a full-time career. It's kind of a part-time career which you can do in your free time. Try to stream your games. Try to stream whatever you're doing right now. You can stream anything you want on YouTube or Twitch. You can stream games. You can stream your day in life. You can stream just chatting, kind of a stream, and yeah, that's what you can do too. A lot of Indian creators and streamers like Techno Creamers, Mortal, and Kariminati earn crores via ads, sponsorships, and more. But the vast majority earn little. So yeah, tech roles tied to gaming interests, so software engineering, UI UX designer, data analytics, cybersecurity, AML, gaming hones problem solving, logic, and creativity that transfers well. These often have a stronger job markets and salary. Many game devs start with CSIT backgrounds. So that's what it is. What you should do as a parent. This is for people who are worried about their kids and tip for parents itself. Don't dismiss his interest. This can backfire and damage trust. Instead, guide and challenge them productively. Gaming builds are real skills, strategic thinking, team working, persistence, quick learning, and a lot of things. You can read out all this. You can just copy and paste this prompt and you get your own answer by the chatbot itself. So yeah. I feel like Grok AI is really good in answering this type of questions. If you have any personal, financial, or career kind of questions, you can just ask Grok about it. And I feel like cloud is related to more corporate kind of thing, like uploading your YouTube videos, help with your YouTube videos such as title and description. They're helping you with an essay or helping you with a PowerPoint presentation. So I feel like cloud is used more into doing a task than asking personal questions. I think so. Cloud does best when you ask it to do something for you. So yeah, that's what I wanted to show you today. Let's also test this prompt, comparing courses, which is also a good prompt. Compare BTech, BCA, and BSc Computer Science for a student in India who is good at logical thinking but not great at maths. Which is the best placements, which are the best for further studies, and which is the easiest to get into? BTech, BCA, and BSc Computer Science are main undergraduate options in India for a career in computing and IT. They differ in focus, difficulty, eligibility, and outcomes. Here is a comparison tailored for to a student strong in logical thinking but weaker in maths. So BTech, CSC, IT, engineering focused degree with a deep theory, programming algorithms, system, hardware, and some maths and physics. It emphasizes on problem solving, design, technical depth, and more rigorous overall. BCA, application oriented practical course for software development, programming, database, and many much more. So you can ask this kind of prompts for comparing different bachelor degrees if you are a person who is passed out from 12th and wants to learn which course he wants to do. So you can ask a prompt like compare BTech, BCA, BSc, then it change it to compare BCom, BMS, BSc IT, or something like that. And you can compare courses like this using this prompt. You can copy the prompt from here itself. Here is the prompt for comparing courses. You can compare, change these three courses to whichever courses you want to compare, and Gemini or Grok will answer the question for you. So this is what I wanted to show you today. These are the prompts which you can use to try to figure out your own career, what you want to do as a career. Let's ask Kalawade some more prompts. This is the prompt which a lot of people might want to use, and it's really amazing prompt. It is something that someone doesn't know what he wants to do in future as a career. So what I mean is, you will figure out once I read the prompt. I passed 12th, but honestly I have no idea what I'm passionate about. I don't have a thing like other students seem to. How do I figure out what career is right for me? Give me a self-discovery exercise I can do this week. So this is an amazing for people who don't have a understanding about what they want to do as a career. They are clueless and don't know what they should think of as a career. So this prompt is for people who don't know what they want to do as a career itself. So they can use this prompt and AI will help them out with a self-discovery exercise they can do in a week. So here is the Grok giving a practical self-discovery plan for this week, which is, you don't have to do one big passion or thing right now. Most people don't at your stage. Careers that fit well usually comes with a mix of what you are decent at. So this is some of those activities you can do for self-discovery challenge, like collect evidence about what actually feels good to you and why. You will do a short daily activities, 15 to 45 minutes mostly, and end with a synthesis on day 7. Day 1, brain dump and peak moments. Set a timer for 20 minutes and write down everything you enjoyed doing. This is the tasks and activities you can do as a self-discovery to identify what type of career you want to do as a future, as a career option. So once you ask this prompt, AI will help you out with a self-discovery plan for yourself, which you can use to try to figure out which career you want to do as a option. This is also one amazing prompt. This is for students who are average. What I mean is I passed 12th PCM with 60% with like an average percentile, and the student also knows that he won't be able to get into tier 1 universities like IIT or NIT. I can't afford a private engineering college. What are my realistic good options? Don't sugarcoat, give honest alternatives that lead to a decent career. This seems also a good prompt. You can copy and paste this prompt if you are someone with average percentile such as 60%, and you know that you won't be able to get into a tier 1 university like IIT or NIT. So you can ask this kind of prompt to AI, who will help you out, try to figure out which universities you can get into. So it says you can get into government or state engineering colleges. You can do a polytechnic diploma or a lateral entry BTech degree, or you can do BSc or BCA routes, which are like going into in universities and doing a BSc course in IT or a BCA course. BCA means Bachelor's in Computer Applications. The fees for this type of degrees is very low. It's from 5,000 to 20,000 yearly total in government colleges. Or you can do a high potential but demanding paths such as merchant navy, tech cadet, nautical science via IMU CET. This is kind of a navy kind of a role. Or you can go into defense, NDA, appear for UPSC NDA exam. PCM helps, leads to a stable respected career with perks. Tough selection, return plus SSP. Or you can go into architecture, 5 years, creative plus technical, starting 3 to 6 LPA, grows with experience, freelance, tech fees. Commercial pilot, high earnings but very expensive training, not affordable without loans or scholarships. Other practical steps: SSC, banking, railway, state PSC after graduation, government exams, skill based shorter courses, BA, BCom, MBA. So you can also do this career BCom plus MBA later as a career role after like studies you can do as for a career. So yeah, this is everything I wanted to show you today. You can use this type of prompts. If you want to learn how to use this type of prompt, you can just ask Claudia or any chatbot for prompt engineering prompts such as this. You ask them, I need some prompts for career guidance for 10th and 12th pass out students, and it will give out prompts for you. You can edit these prompts and make customized prompts for yourself. So this is what I wanted to show you today. Thanks for watching this live session. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel as it helps me a lot. Thanks for watching.